Hi, I'm Jack. Today we're gonna talk about women and the knee pain. We have many clients coming into FTI with the knee issues, and many of them are found to be women, different ages, with different kind of lifestyle, sedentary to very active and very sporty. What's happening to them? What's causing to knee pain? Let's explore with us together. Okay, the first interesting thing is being a woman have a high chance of getting knee pain because women have a wider pelvic girdle than the men, and having a wider pelvic girdle means a bigger Q angle. So the Q angle is the angle between the front thigh muscles and the patellar tendon. So if you have a wider Q angle, there will be more stress on the knee when you are moving, like squatting, sitting, or you're running. So the women have a high chance of getting knee pain when doing the movement. Another interesting thing is that when we take out the information is women like to cross their legs like this while sitting. So these are very interesting things because when they are crossing their leg, they misalign their pelvic, and then the inner thigh is in a shortening position the whole time. So it causes them to cave their knee inside when they are moving. So if you have the habit of crossing your leg while sitting, I will suggest you to change your leg very often or change the sitting position. Do not get stuck in one position the whole time. So the first thing, we will release your IT band and your lateral quad, the side front thigh muscles here. So put the roller on the floor, and then we will start above the knee area here. We'll lie down on the floor. You can just rest on the floor also can. And then we will roll up and down. Very simple. This is your IT band release. Then after that, we will roll the lateral quads here. So turn your body 45 degrees, and then we will roll. We'll roll 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then after that, we will change the position up a bit higher, IT band. Then after that, your lateral quads up and down. Make sure your neck is resting on the arm. Okay, if you really have nothing at home, you can use a broomstick to release your IT band and your lateral quads. The same thing, put on the floor. Put your IT band on the stick and then roll up and down. And then turn a little bit sideways 45 degrees and roll up and down for your lateral quads. The second exercise is for the future injury prevention for the knee. So we need a loop rubber band put below the knee here, and then make sure all your toes are grounded. And then holding this position, I want you to put your knee from the second toe to the last toe here. Push out the knee while pressing down your big toes here, keeping the full arch all the time. So it will activate all the glute muscles here to keep the kneecap in line with your second toe all the time. So preventing the future injury and keeping the knee in the line all the time. We have shown you two exercises, one for releasing the muscle and one for the activation the glute for the future injury prevention. So try to do this exercise in order, release first, then after that you activate. So if you're not feeling 100% yet after doing this exercise, feel free to reach out via email, Instagram or Facebook. I'm Jack, see you again.